this wallet got right before it pumped. Take a look at these buy transactions right over here. Take a look at these sell transactions. This is one of the wallets that you need to follow. And I'm going to be showing you the trick that this wallet has been using to mint a lot of money trading meme coins. Take a look at this balance, 1.7 million US dollars, and the highest holding is obviously GOAT with 2.4 million GOAT tokens. If you really want to make a lot of money trading meme coins on Solana, this is definitely one of the most important tools that you need to have and be able to utilize. So this is one of the fastest Solana copy trade bots. So basically you just find a lot of good wallets that you're going to be following. As you guys already know, right, using Dexscreener, you can get to discover a lot of good wallets that you can copy trade and just basically be able to emulate. So it's pretty simple when it comes to setting up this bot, and all you have to do is use the link in the description. It's going to be in the description, and it's also going to be in the pinned comment section below. So what you have to do is just basically deposit your funds, and it's going to give you a wallet address, which I already deposited money. So I just basically moved money from a cryptocurrency exchange and I sent it to OdinBot.io, so check the link in the description box below. So it's a pretty simple interface that you are greeted with. As you can see right over here, I deposited about 11 Solana, so they obviously got some fees etc, and this is my balance. So in order for you to sort of fund the wallet, all you gotta do is get your OdinBot wallet address and then send money there. So what you can do is you can also mirror wallets. So when it comes to copy trading, right, you let's say for example you go on Dexscreener and you look for some popping cryptocurrency meme coins that you would really love to sort of get to research on, in terms of the wallets that were very proactive and the wallets that seem to be very profitable. You just sort of do your own due diligence, then you sort of add them to your mirroring platform right over here, and it's going to be able to sort of add the new wallet to mirror. And then you let's say for example copy a wallet and you just paste it here, and then you click on start mirroring. So you have a number of control settings with regards to copying. You can customize it and just also increase the slippage and just basically be able to put in the settings that are definitely going to be working for you. So when it comes to the mirrored trade, right, you're going to have the history right over here, and it's going to show you all the different trades that were made on your behalf while you were not active, or you can just basically be able to find the history of all the trades that were done. So when it comes to one of the things that really stands out about this particular platform is due to the fact that they also have a Discord where they sort of share the profitable wallets to follow. So this is a very important feature because you're going to be able to sort of have some very good heads up on wallets that are really making profitable trades. But anyhow, let me show you how you're supposed to do your own research and be able to feed the wallets that you need to mirror. So let's say for example you did everything right using my link in the description and you've set up your account. All you got to do right now is look for profitable Solana meme coin traders wallets. So all you got to do is go to dexscreener.com/Solana and look for the popping cryptocurrencies that did very well, and look for the people who are sort of who did very well. Like for example, a lot of people have been talking about GOAT. Okay, so this is basically how you find very good wallets to sort of mirror and emulate. So you go to Dexscreener, you find the cryptocurrency blockchain platform that, or rather a meme coin project that you really think did very well. Okay, so using Dexscreener, you can basically just be able to check a lot of statistics about it. So what you're looking for is obviously the smart money, the smart traders, the people who really made the markets really move. So as you can see, right, it got listed on the 11th of October right over here, right? So in order for you to get the smart money, the smart wallets from these guys, right, because obviously they are the ones that really made this cryptocurrency sort of moon. So what I usually like doing is I like going to the pre-pump areas before there was significant impact on the market. So you've got this particular level right over here and that level. But to me, the most significant market mover was obviously the buys coming through at these levels right over here. If you take a look at 17th or rather 12th of October, right, these candles right over here, especially the buys that came through from this doji candle right over here on the 1 hour. So if you take a look at the time frame, right, that's 12th October at 8 p.m. So we have to go to the date and filter the transactions, and we go to 12th October. Okay, so we have to change the parameters right over here. Let's go to 12th October and put the time as, because that candle came through at 8 p.m. So we just have to, let's say for example, let's put it at 6 to 9 p.m. Okay, so we go to 6, we put it at p.m. Okay, and then we also put the end date because we're only interested on the 12th. Okay, and we also customize and we put it at 9 p.m. Okay, because the buys that came through at during these time frames were very significant. Okay, so as you can see, I don't know whether you guys are able to see it. So I'm filtering the transactions by date. Okay, because like I explained to you, those buys were the ones that really pushed up before other buyers came through. So I wanted to sort of get to understand what wallets were able to purchase and in what quantity. So we can click on apply and just basically see the type of data that we're going to get. So we're further going to filter it out by taking a look at the type of transactions. So what I'm looking for are only the people who were buying, because the people who were buying are the ones that really knew what was going to happen. So this is the smart money, the smart traders. Okay, they are the ones that made the action before the significant pump. So they've got some sort of insider knowledge. So let's click on buy and we filter the type of transactions. Okay, so during that particular time frame, right, these were the buy orders. So what I'm going to go for is I'm going to go for the people who had very good amount of money that they bought in. If you take a look at the USDT amount, right, let's say for example this one, 1,581, for somebody to have invested this amount of money, this is basically a very strong indication of how much conviction they had. And if they had so much conviction, right, they were betting big before GOT ended up blowing up. And this is one of the reasons why you can take a look at this account. So let's take a look at this account. So we click on it and we just see the overall performance. So right now this account only has got about 3 tokens, which is pretty interesting. So let's take a look at the portfolio of this token. So were they a one-hit wonder? So those are the things that we need to figure out. So let's go to let's copy this wallet address. Okay, and let's take a look at gn.ai. So I just want to see the win rate of this wallet. So now this wallet is a little bit sketchy because as you can see, right, there isn't anything. They've pretty much drained out the money that was here. So this guy is obviously a market maker. Okay, and probably if you take a look at the transactions of this account, this wallet, right, this wallet was specifically created to pump the price. And this guy already knows. So in order for you to like further get to discover where the money was coming from, you can look at the previous past transactions. Where did the money come from that really funded the Solana in this system? So these types of people are the ones that really sort of get to push the markets, and then they've got other projects. So if you further probe the address, right, you're going to discover that you're obviously going to discover a lot of their moves because everything is online. So let me get the wallet address and paste it here in GM. So this one is not really going to give us much because obviously they don't have a lot of data, you know. However, if you really want to get more information about this, you can look at the transfers, the ins and the outs, and you can be specific because you obviously need to see where the money was coming from in terms of what was happening. And one more thing is these guys were using OdinBot. Do you see this OdinBot? So this is one of the reasons why, if you look at the top traders of GOT, the people that made money on GOT, they were using the OdinBot. You get my point? Because for this guy to have really, and this was a copy trade. Take a look at this. This is very interesting data. Fast copy trading OdinBot. So this really proves our thesis because we do have, somebody who was able to catch GOT at a very fast period of time. They reacted pretty fast, and they ended up capitalizing. So this is one of the reasons why you have to use the link in the description box. You're going to receive some bonuses, plus you're also going to have access to a lot of exciting groups where you're going to be able to sort of get a lot of alpha. So as you can see, I randomly picked this wallet, and guess what we're seeing here on the transfers? There is a transfer coming through by copy trading. So the people who are winning in crypto right now are the people who are copy trading certain types of wallets. And just like I told you, right, this wallet address is somebody who knows something. It's either they were copying somebody who's a market maker, or they are a market maker themselves. But from the look of things, right, since they've been utilizing copy trading, or they just started using OdinBot, right, it really means they know exactly what is happening. So if you take a look at the further transactions, obviously you can see that this address is only used for a certain specific type of action. And if you further go on to the transactions, right, if you go back 11 days, you could potentially see where the money came from. So I really want us to go as further back as we can, and we are going to definitely see a lot more data with regards to where the money came from. So in order for you to like figure out who funded this address, you have to sort of get to go in a little bit more and basically see the source of the money. So when you see the source of the money, then you can be able to pinpoint where the money was coming from, and how you can basically be able to make the most use out of it. So for the most part, these guys have been using a lot of copy trading. So this is a very good wallet address because it picked GOT in a very short period of time. So if you take a look at the previous transaction data, we're not really going to use much of this information, but what I wanted to let you guys know is this wallet is using OdinBot, and these guys have been really sort of getting in early. Okay, so in order for you to make a lot of money, use copy trading tactics. Copy the best traders. By the way, I also have a trading group. It's $500 one-time lifetime fee. So just pay $500 and you guys are going to make millions and millions of dollars trading meme coins, because I've got the alpha, I've got the source, and you guys already know what we do. Okay, so let's take a look at some other wallets that really made interesting moves. So let's get rid of that. So based on the win rate, right, this is not really a very good win rate, and this is obviously just a wallet which is specifically meant to sort of trade specific coins and all that stuff. So in order for us to sort of emulate a wallet, it has to have impeccable sort of win rate, and the activity, the number of tokens that they usually get in should also be very, very significant as well. So I would definitely leave this one, but I would manually check it once in a while. All right, so now let's take a look at other wallets that had really strong conviction of before the price of gold went up. So these guys basically knew what was happening, and this is one of the reasons why we have to scrutinize and figure out why they knew, or why they sort of did what they had to do. And if we further probe into their wallets, perhaps we can figure out some other coins. Okay, we can figure out the coins that they're holding, and so on and so forth. So there's also another wallet right over here that purchased before the prices began pumping. No, so take a look at this. 13 days ago, this wallet purchased $4,355 dollars worth of GOAT tokens before it blew up. Okay, before this amazing parabolic rise, this wallet was able to sort of understand that it was going to have a massive pump and the prices was going to go higher. So what really prompted them, and are we supposed to follow them? So let's take a look at their wallet address, and this is what they have. So at the moment, this is a very, very good wallet. So currently their balance is around 1.9 million US dollars. And take a look at this. All the things that we talk about are very practical. One thing that you're going to realize is they are also using copy trading bot. They are using OdinBot. So this is one of the reasons why I'm saying, you guys, I'm putting you on game. This type of information is not really popular yet. So you have to get in as fast as possible and use my link in the description. So this is a very, very new product and it's extremely fast. Okay, so take a look at this. They also use the OdinBot again. So this is really producing a lot of results. And if you take a look at their balance right now, right, let's take a look at their portfolio and what they are doing right now. So the most amount of money that they made came from GOAT. Okay, so you just need a few coins, or rather a few opportunities to make a lot of money trading meme coins. And there's obviously some mathematics and some science towards it. So this is one of the reasons why you have to join my paid group, because I give a lot of alpha. It's only $500 per month. So I'm obviously going to leave some details on how you can contact me. Email me. The email is going to be in the description box, and you guys are going to be able to sort of make a lot of money trading meme coins. So this is their portfolio. They've got about 1.9. So they are still holding on to GOAT, probably due to the fact that they obviously cashed out and they are letting the rest of the money go. You have to understand, this wallet bought GOAT with 4,355 when it was very, very cheap. I'm sure the market cap of GOAT was less than 50,000 US dollars at this time they bought it. So they have really made a lot of money. Okay, so in order for us to sort of get to understand how much profit they took, we have to change the parameters, which I'm not really interested in, because I really want to figure out why they did what they did, and if I can follow them and see what we can do with them. So as you can see right now, they have about 28 tokens. So this is a very good wallet to follow, and you can really end up making a lot of money following this wallet. Okay, so now let's take a look at the other statistics about the wallet. Let's go to GM. I want to see the win rate, because the win rate is a very important aspect when it comes to this game. But I really like how they are pretty much active. They've got 28 wallets, and they're doing a lot of stuff. So according to this data, for the past 30 days, they have had a 26.32% win rate, and the PNL is about 64%. So maybe these statistics are not really that good. So they, in the past 30 days, they sort of invested $605,000, and the total P&L was around 1.8, which is a very good, decent, result. So when it comes to trading, right, if you take a look at how much money this guy has and the win rate, obviously this win rate is only aggregated for the past, 30 days. So we can't really understand how far they've come and what they've been able to sort of achieve. Anyway, I'm using I haven't logged in with my wallet on GMGN, so maybe this is one of the reasons I can't really see the whole factual win rate ratio. However, I would follow this account, but I wouldn't. I would be very careful with regards to setting up a mirror trade for this account. So if we take a look at the other tokens that these guys have, he's also got GNON. So this one is valued at 32,000 US dollars. So you can take a look at this one as well. Modang, everybody knows what Modang happened. SPL token. So I'm seeing a lot of SPL tokens everywhere. There's Genius, there's Philly. So you guys can obviously rinse and repeat this method and figure out what coins these guys are buying and what they are using. So this is a very good strategy to sort of make money or trading cryptocurrency meme coins on Solana. This is a very, very good tool that you need to utilize. So in order for us to sort of mirror this, for example, if we want to mirror this wallet, right, all we got to do is go back to Odin and then click add wallet to mirror. So we add the wallet. That's how you add the wallet. Boom. Yeah. Okay, so that's how we do it. And then you click start mirroring. Okay, when you do that, you can even say, so for example, I'm going to name it, I'm going to say Goat Sniper or Goat Smart Trader. Okay, you can definitely do that, and it's going to be saved. But in order for you to sort of mirror these traders, right, you need to have a balance which is like over 0.1 Solana. Your balance has to be higher, because if you've got very little balance here, then you're not going to be able to execute these trades. So make sure you've got enough SOL balance. At least try putting 1 SOL or even above, and then you guys are going to be able to mirror these trades. So you can put the settings, you can put the default controls and so on and so forth, so these are the settings. You can just figure them out and see what needs to be done. But be very careful when it comes to copying a lot of Millionaire meme coin addresses, because some of them change tactics, and you only have to do this when you know for sure that whatever wallet you are trying to copy is really worth copying, because you might end up losing quite a lot of money. So basically, this is how you get to do it, even without you getting to manually copy and mirror a cryptocurrency wallet. So this is how people are making tons and tons of money investing in cryptocurrencies. So utilize this bot. The link is going to be in the description. Number 2, join my paid VIP group where we trade meme coins and make a whole lot of money. Remember, the price or the fee that you need to pay in order for you to have access to my private meme coin trading group is $500. So send me an email. All the information is going to be in the description box below. You can send me an email request for you to join my trading group. Then we're going to pick it up from there. So that's all I had for you. Interesting revelations, and it's good to understand that these guys who have extremely good are using OdinBot, because we are able to see the transaction. So he's been using OdinBot for a while, for the past 16 hours at least, according to this transaction. So it gives a very good stamp of approval. So one day ago, this guy has been having access to such type of information. No wonder he's making money. Money is all about the if you want to make money, it means you've got access to the right amount of information. So sometimes knowing where to get information is very crucial, and it's really going to sort of separate you from people who are not making money, because you've got access to certain type of information that people who don't have money, don't have the access to, so that's the reason why they don't have money, is because they don't know what you know. And this is one of the reasons why my community is one of the best communities. We've got access to a lot of exciting stuff, a lot of stuff that are really going to, improve your trading experience, therefore making you a whole lot of money. So please reach out to me and join my paid group. So yeah, talk to you guys a little bit later. I know for a fact that you really want to make a lot of money and you want to make life-changing money investing in cryptocurrencies. And this is one of the reasons why you have to be part of my trading group. So the fees are pretty cheap. They are affordable. $500 one-time lifetime fee, and we are guaranteed to make 200% profit monthly. We also specialize in meme coins. We find and create meme coins on Pump.fun, Solana, Base ecosystem, and we find meme coins that are under $5,000 as their market cap, and we definitely know how to market these. We also have trading consultations and tutorials where new beginners, intermediate, pros, etc. can have a one-on-one consultation with experts, and you can be given examples and tutorials on how to intensify your trading and how to be a profitable trader. So remember, only $500. Email that email on your screen right now, 2019nextup@gmail.com, and just say you want to be part of the trading group. Let's make money.